Voisun to Surds Indices exercise part 2 into tomato. Vidom sa kan part 1 base ai zong ding ta kha power ni pa phale base sai kai su la khang khan ai zong na voisun to khang kha khom pati te thang sa met le thilang style dang high question he chok tomato ama sa dingen 10 to the power 7.5 into 5 to the power 2.5 into 2 to the power 2.5 equal to 10 to the power x. Lai khamin x is ding na power amna and just a base 10 is chu adang ai khomit 10 in converting type 1 khang ang khan ani lai hin base 10 chu hilai phatum ta ngai pe base 10 in no ani lai to ken base 10 ni true la ni chu ani ngai pe base 10 suk thei ti en chun chu a base nang ta no a power nanga a power nang chun chu into ni le base ai into I tho lo dung juin an le lai po he itu c for eta 7.5 into he 5 into 2 is equal to a common power 2.5 all to 10 to the power x. Ningata zoa hile sinok charchare ta 7.5 into 5 to r 10 to the power 2.5 equal to 10 to the power x. To hin loss of indice dung in is same base na in 2 into the power plus ta 10 to the power 7.5 plus 2.5 equal to 10 to the power x. And the base anang plane power hai kami nang tang ta line 7.5 plus 2.5 thousand to 7.5 le 2.5 plus 2 5 10 1 carry point ngata 7 plus 9 10 10 point 0 chong ni chun chu 10 chong khom lak thing the whole number part chong khom ni an le hi 10 to the power 10 is equal to 10 to the power x. Base anang ta line therefore 10 equal to x power hai khan nang nok ta ding so x value chu 10 ani. Example pani no kadingen 2 to the power 2x minus 1 equal to 1 by 8 to the power x minus 3 e zong ding khomi x ni no ka power mana a base en chu line 2 na line 8 na 2 en to ka 8 convert kha chu sukchin kha chu thei to 8 en to ka 2 sukchin chu ole mata 8 chu 2 cube na 2 by 2 multiply ni line hi sen for eta hi 82 cube whole power x minus 3 in mata zo hen hi lo dung zui kan power uma le power kai multiply lak ding ani 2 to the power hi 3 into hi ngai pani ni chu hi tam pani na an jun chu hi ngai pani areng na multiply ding line hi phate nei lak tu ding hi ngai si ding hi 3 into hi ngai thoi hi chau jik chun chon ang no hi le hi an thlaw na chi mi hi chu 3 le x o in 2 na 3 tam ranin fian tana la tuin 3 into hi ngai pani hi ngai 3 le ngai pani multiply ding lai hi a multiply chun chu s whole khap tam pat afia ta ding lain 3 into hi wa hi second first bracket sungai si tul le hi ni ta tuin la chu hi ngai phathi 1 by 1 hu ya mana hi chu 1 chu ngau mana hi thleng met no tul ta ta hi nga 1 by umai hi reciprocal tin chu ta reciprocal chun chu tuin power hi 2 minus 1 reciprocal chun chu 1 by ting ta 2 power kha positive anta ding ar inverse comment chu ta hi inverse la dinga le hi 1 by 2 to the power 7 hi inverse ai hinga jik dinga le 2 to the power minus 7 hung jaw tin wari bok chun chu power kha minus nok ta ding chuang char chung hi la kham hi 1 hi chunga 1 is bok din chun chu hi 2 to the power minus 3 of 2 hi 3 into x minus 3 hung ta ding le voi ting in hi jik nok ta 2 to the power 2 minus 1 ale twin base nang ta 2 ve ven ta an le power khom nang ta ding so ama ti hitting pointing a power chu 2x minus 1 equal to line minus 3 into x minus 3 hingai pani choi minus thei noi fi sa san hi line x lo thil dang dang an ne an hi sinok char chai ta 2x minus 1 hi line hi multiply ta hi hi multiply ta chun hin multiply nok ding minus 3 into hi line x hi positive na minus plus to minus 3 of x. So minus 3 into minus 3 ni line. Ala minus 3 into minus 2 plus 3 here 9x ni ngata. Tu in transposition ni thon ok ding. X c san than lane transposition ni chuang khan x I kha same side number constant I kha same side. Ala minus 3 hitting ma le plus 3 ni tang ta change of sign plus 3x minus 1 hitting fa le 9 plus 1. Ye 3x plus 2x to 5x equal to line 10 line tun x zong duk dinga le 5 e transpose nok tun chu divisor ni nok tang line 10 by 5 chu therefore x value chu 2 ani dinga ni le tu chen le thim seng ring uma example dang en no gete x to the power 8 to the power x plus 1 equal to 64 then 3 to the power 2x plus 1 is equal to in value ale zoom di line hi value zong ding na hi value zong ding chu x value sheet ma sa chul x sheet pa pale 2 into x hong eta plus 1 hong eta kha 3 power ning ta kha 3 in by pathumanial 3 by 2 multiply ta pangal 3 by pangai multiply ning tina vai nga so ding chu hi line thokin x value zong eta x hi line s substitute ning tina ni ale hi line base 8 na hi line 64 power 1 ti thei ni ale hi 8 ta thleng thei an relation to 8 square ana ale hi twin hitting in x 8 to the power x plus 1 same base an ta an chu power nang tang ta x plus 1 is equal to 2 hi transpose sun chu x equal to 2 minus 1 x value chu 1 anta and therefore is ong ding ta ka 3 to the power 2x plus 1 the value is ong ding 3 to the power x ka 2 into 1 plus 1 so 3 to the power 2 into 1 to 2 plus 1 so 3 to the power 3 by 2 multiply to 27 so he value to 27 ani atun example pali na he no gate square root of 40 plus c square root sunga square dam no ka square root of 9 hin 9 square root sunga hin 9 into ni line 9 into square root of 81 hinga ma hi to dani ta sung takan tokin ai hong chan ding ani ale hi 40 plus hipo na hipo ile chok to kai ta ale 40 plus hi bracket ang dawa ngai the ni line hi sunga hin 9 into hi square root of 81 chu hi LIC chok to beta 81 chu hi 9 square na 9 square ne ale hi square root le square thing ka ta khom e zong hal the a lo dung le thoding chu 9 to the power hi order 2 ni len ama power 2 by 2 hi 1 9 to the power 1 9 hinga hore na chu 80 ne pha le hi square ma le 9 square le square ka ta le 9 lal ding ale hi po hi into 9 antana chun hi square sung lo mata chun 40 plus hi 9 into 9 kham hi 9 square 81 jik no khama san chu square hong ding le 81 ji khan 81 to ka 9 square kleng no ne khan line 9 into 9 ta chun chu 9 square jik to beta all sum lem ding chun hin jik no ke ta zawa khami hin thota ti short cut jong ne hit bong ta tho ale hi square root of 40 plus root 9 square chu 40 plus 9 chu 49 square root of 49 chu 7 square na 7 square hi le hi cancel ale hi final answer chu 7 ani hingai fitting point mod step hat chu sungai to ka tana hi hong pe ding te na ni le dot no ka ding en hila hin third bracket sungai hin third bracket a power line 5 ma pu taka hi sungai hin first bracket sungai hin square root form search ma line fifth order fifth na fifth root of x to the power minus 3 by 5 whole minus 5 by 3 whole 5 and just come here first bracket ai trending na first bracket hin hi radical form ana exponential form itlang ita ale ama power hi po hina line x to the power minus 3 by 5 by laka hilai an huyum hi order khani hilai order 5 ni line by 5 hin ngata chun whole minus 5 by 3 zowa power 5 nung no ding ale hi power hin power hin pop ta le hin ma in multiply then hi power chok do ki line minus 3 by 5 line 3 by 5 by 5 into minus 5 by 3 he ni cho hele minus 3 by 5 ya chunga mana hilai hi fraction numerator na hi denominator na ali khomi tun hi cancel the 5 1 is 5 5 1 is 5 ni la thea ale nuin one ta chun chu hi ji khoma ngai ta na minus 3 by 5 into line minus 1 by 3 hi le nang charan ta ale twin 3 1 is 3 3 1 is 3 cancel the ta achunga 1 ta le minus into minus positive anta 1 into 1 1 by 5 hi 1 by 5 le hanang chara ne hala hin jik ta thi line x to the power 1 by 5 ton chun third bracket first bracket ai jok ta by 5 power 5 hala hi khomi power per multiply ta x to the power 1 by 5 into 5 hi chunga mana hin hoi amana divide ta 5 1 is 5 hala x to the power 1 to final answer x anything atun example top ta carding in here question high square root of 5 to asunga square root of 5 square root of 5 in a factor cha infinity hin dot 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 infinity hin factor chun chu here is a basic section khoma rule chung no here question tare ne chun chu direct in answer chu a number kha ne hal lak ding ne le suppose an example ik chok theini sin line homework ei zi thlang meta hi ngai hi chu hi anang pui deu hai ni len homework ei pe kana inin chok tum sengai tai lo thim no ma le comment hai comment don thei jing ni ngate so number 2 ru ki chu hilai chu given root 5 value to 2.24 in pe ka an lei jong ding chu fraction form a hin numerator 3 into root 5 le divided by 2 into root 5 minus 0.48 hilai ing bebe explain dim no le ni homework ei pe ta pan san line 3 into root 5 and 3 into 2.24 multiply ta so divided by 2 into 2.24 khale minus 0.48 ha toy ta decimal high division multiplication in chubong tele ni homework ni si to pane le chupo chun Surds Indices exercise ai chuk thei ne